So you really need to watch this until the very end because I'm going to show you how to set up Shopify payment gateway. I'm going to explain exactly what it means, how you can do it. So trust me, it's going to be very helpful. I will break down the whole process step by step. And now, also by watching it, you'll really save time and avoid any confusion since I'll show you exactly where to click and what information um, to enter. And I'll share with you some very important knowledge, but important knowledge, beginning knowledge when you start using Shopify. Anyway, so let's search Shopify here in the search bar. Now I'm using .go. You can use Google, whatever you want. And now here I'm going to click on Shopify and log in. Now log in for me automatically because I logged in before. And now we're going to have to go to settings here. And then here in settings, we have payments. So here we have now we can see payments and Shopify payments. And now what this basically means is that uh, we can let our customer pay however they want directly on our store. So which is super convenient. This is really competitive if you have this set up because they really offer you like when you have this they'll offer good rates for credit card transactions. You won't lose too much money on fees, better checkout conversions, shop pay, and also you can track like your cash flow. Now anyways, now let's click on complete account setup. You can also activate PayPal or activate Amazon Pay or activate PayPal, or you can add another payment method, which really means, so basically what it means here that if we click on for instance we want like additional payment methods, right? So there are actually extra ways your customer can pay and apart from the default Shopify methods. And Shopify will approve the payment method. They are like third-party payment services that Shopify works with, so that's why it's important. Now you can also let your customer pay with PayPal, as I said before, but Shopify will charge you 2% transaction fee on top of PayPal's fees for using this option. And also Amazon Pay customers they'll be able to use this Amazon accounts to pay. They also have like 2% transaction fee for using Amazon Pay on top of Amazon's fees. Now we can click on activate or here, or we can actually complete this, which that's what you can do to can click on complete account setup, or you can add payment method and search by provider. And if you're in the United States, you can also um, search the Amex card, but for me is not showing because I'm not in United States. But yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.